Minimum wage earner ka, pero you still want own house someday? It's not impossible. I tell you how. Step number 1, make sure may pag-ibig contribution ka. If you're employed, automatic na yan. If you're not, you can pay voluntarily. You just need a 24 months of contribution to qualify for a housing loan. Step number 2, look for the home within your budget. Pag-ibig kang finance to 4 million mas mabilis. Usually, properties around 1 million to 2 million. Step number 3, choose the pre-selling units with flexible payment terms. Some developers allow you to pay the equity for 24 to 36 months. So, hindi yan biglaan. Step number 4, prepare for the reservation fee. Some projects start at 10,000 to 20,000 lang to serve. From there, hulugan na lang ang monthly equity habang under construction. Hindi mo need ng malaking income to start. What you need? Game plan.